Good to see you guys this morning. Glad you could join me. We're over at Camper's Inn this morning, and I guess I just thought I'd sit down and enjoy me a nice little cup of coffee this morning. But while you're here, let's take a look at the 2670 MK Imagine. As you can see here, we're gonna look right here first of all. Since we're here, we have a drop-down frame. What that means is the frame has been lowered specifically underneath so that you have a full height of storage. You're not limited to being here up to get the full height. It's a nice through storage, and if you come around and see on the other side, of course, coming around you can see our pitch, our LP tanks, the LED lighting on the front cap, protective shield, as well now as here's everything for your system. You run your hoses up underneath, right into here. It's a nice look, easy, close latch feature here. You got your slide out, black tank, gray tank on this side. These are manual jacks. Then here's just the side view of this camper. You got your awning, speakers here for the radio, and inside radio runs both inside and outside. You've got a cable jack and an outlet, and of course here's the grilling station. Able to use this griddle with your mini fridge. It's a nice feature on a camper like this. These campers have a ladder on the back, so it is roof walkable, and they come solar prepped with a solar panel on top for some more of your outdoor adventure needs. You've got an LED lighting underneath the top of the awning. It's just some nice features that make this unit kind of stand out and work well, both for couples as well as families. Join me as we go inside and take a look. All right, here we are inside the camper. You can see your nice pop-up television. You've got this really nice looking fireplace, which is not just for aesthetics and looks, but also can produce heat on those cold winter nights, especially in the north. But we get here into the kitchen. People like their islands, right? You've got an island with this nice, big, deep sink. It's very nice here. Plenty of room to work. We've got cabinets underneath with drawers, as well as on this side. There's just lots of drawers all over the place. Cabinets. One thing I maybe failed to mention was underneath this fireplace this is not just for looks, but this is actually where your radio and controls are for the TV, for a cable, for DVD player or such. Failed to mention that. You've got a microwave here with a 3-burner gas top, as well as an oven. This camper, for its size, really gives you a lot. We have this fridge and freezer, plenty of room for really your travel needs, and a nice pantry for storage. Now join me in the living room. We'll look at some more. Hey guys, here we are in the living room. I was about to fall asleep. As you can see, these chairs really lay back. They're comfortable. They're great. The great thing about these as well, you can see the LED lighting underneath. That's also in the cup holder. And then you have this nice massager and heat button. So after a long, hard day out on the beach and the mountains, taking a hike, whatever it may be, I can just sit back and enjoy my evening now. Watching TV, eating my pizza, whatever it may be. Then you've got this nice dining set. Also has storage underneath for the family to sit around together, enjoy a meal, play some cards, whatever it may be. As well as for those couples, those people who need still that office space, check out what we've got. Drawers, cabinets, just a good place to sit down, for your office needs. Still get some work done. I may have chosen a bad chair for this, right? Sitting a little low, but you get what I'm saying. It's a good place to get some work done even while on the road as needed. So that pretty much takes care of the space of the back space of this unit, the 2670. Let's go on and check out the bathroom and the bedroom. All right, as we head towards the front of the camper, I want you to take a peek inside this bathroom. This is a nice bathroom. You've got vanity space with a mirror, sink, actually some deep storage along that side wall, as well as a nice stand-up shower that more people can fit in than you think. I mean, I shouldn't say more as in quantity, but height. Let me clarify that. But check that out and meet me in the bedroom. Hey, you caught me here. Just catching up on some of my imagined research. Never can stay too much ahead of that. Welcome to the bedroom. You've got this nice queen size bed with cubby holes on each side. These allow you to have your phone. There's outlet as well as a USB port. You put your book here at night, just like I was doing. Have your night light to be able to do some reading, or you might need to jump that up a notch, have a full light. Shut it off when you're done, go to sleep at night, and then check out how much storage you actually have in this bedroom. You've got cabinetry on the side here with drawers. That's on both sides, as well as above. These have wardrobe access to be able to hang clothes, as well as over here we have a nice big wardrobe. This is deep, this is big. It allows you to hang some clothes, as well as a couple of nice big drawers underneath. You're able to put a TV in here, as you can see behind me. But this is a nice size bedroom, and it is secluded from the rest of the camper. If there's anyone else, you have pets, whatever it may be, you have a door that you're able to slide shut. A couple other nice things about this camper we've seen outside, we've seen inside. You have the radius tops, allows you for more height, as well as a couple of air conditioners. Me personally, I like it nice and cool at night, so I'm going to have my bedroom cooler than I may have my living room. So that's nice to be able to adjust that separately. It's just a really well-designed, well-built camper by Grand Design. So hey, thank you for joining me in the Imagine 2670 NK, and maybe this is right for you.